How does knowing your personality type help you develop yourself? Well, first of all, it gives you insights into your strengths, weaknesses, and your preferences. So, whatever your personality type is, let's say that you're an INFP, well, then you start to have language for why you do the things that you do. You start to understand that, okay, my introverted feeling aspect of myself, which I call this resonating soul character, delves deeply into my identity, and it follows my convictions, and it wants me to be aligned with my conscience. And my explorer extroverted intuition wants me to go out there and explore the world and shake things up and innovate and create new contexts. It also gives you a lens for how other people perceive you, and you can see based off your personality type who you get along with well and who's going to create a little bit of a conflict. And with that, you can adjust your actions to get a more positive win-win result. And last, it helps you identify different areas for personal growth and development. If you know what trips you up and what gets in the way of you living into your potential, then you can start to get rid of the obstacles and the hurdles, or make it a lot easier, and develop skills that are going to serve you for the next 20, 30 years into your future. And then you can live more into your passions and the things that you want to do to have an impact on the world and show up in the way that you want to.